Hello guys, how are you? I'm AIP. I'm the man who has solved the market, and I'm the guy who has been sharing my verified my FX book stats in front of you. As you guys have been witnessing that on average I have been making around $30,000, $40,000 every week. And so this week has not been any different. So before I start, let me share my FX book stats with you guys. I hope you can see the screen. These are the my FX book account. So it is the market has closed. It is Monday, but the data was updated yesterday. So this was the Ethereum trade I had made, and I made around $5,000. Today I closed a big trade on gold, making around $57,000. So it would be $57,000. So which would make this month already around way past $60,000. So it's Monday and I'm already past $60,000. And this month will be beyond $120,000, as you can see, because today is 21st and I have already made $71,000. So add to that 57, so it's beyond 120. So these are the stats. You can see that this month I have been making trades with winning percentage of more than 81%, and the same is true for the yearly stats also with 82%. So it is pretty impressive work. The people who have joined me, they are also happier, I hope, because what I'm doing, I'm taking trade on a daily bias, but taking intraday trades. So if I'm taking a trades on 30 minutes with a daily bias, long or short, so that doesn't mean that I would take one or two trades or three trades. Uh, that wouldn't mean I would take one or two trades or three trades in a month. It would mean I would take many trades uh, over the period of time as the as long as bias is there and as long as my signal is there. As you can see, this month I have already taken 91 trades. So today is 21st and I have already taken 91 trades, right? So last week I took more than 35 trades. So trading the daily chart doesn't mean that you are trading one or two times uh, a month. If you have a bias, if you are trading the daily bias with a 30 minutes or 1 hour time frame, then you can, make lots of intraday trades. The problem is this, that I don't do 5 minutes anymore. I don't even do 15 minutes anymore because it's not worth it. My time is very precious. I've already proven myself that I'm a successful trader with over $1 million in profit. So I do not have time to scalp 5 minutes, 1 minute up and down the line. I don't have time for that. So those who want to stay with me, they have to follow this strategy, which is proven that we will go and trade in the 30 minutes as per the daily bias. And as per the time factor, the GAN indicator that I have made. So if the GAN is saying to go long, we will go long. And if the GAN is saying go short, we'll go short. Looking at other analysis also. So let's get one thing straight. You've seen my chart, you've seen my verified my Facebook account, and the link of that account will be in the description, in the comment section also. But let's get one thing straight. Making money in trading is not the final destination. It is not the Lamborghini. It is not the six-figure screenshot. It is not quitting your job. Those things are fine, but they are not real rewards. The real power that comes with trading success, the kind of success where you are consistently pulling profits, where your edge is sharpened, where your mindset is calm and lethal. It is something much deeper than financial freedom. It is internal sovereignty. Sovereignty. It is internal sovereignty. It is unshakable self respect. It is the kind of power that makes you bulletproof in a world addicted to noise. The world runs on illusions. The world tells you that the power comes from appearance, from likes, followers, flashy clothes, expensive watches, and fake bravado. But those things fade, they rot, they crumble the moment pressure hits. Real power is invisible. It is in how you handle silence. It is in how you respond when nothing is working. It is in how you behave when no one is watching. And trading? Trading demands that level of power, or it will destroy you. You can't bluff the market. You can't fake confidence. You can't buy your way into discipline. Either you evolve or you disappear. And if you stick around long enough, and if you take enough hits, lose enough money, rebuild enough times, you will realize this, that trading is not just a path to money, it is a path to mastering yourself. So, what success really feels like? You know what it feels like when you truly become a successful trader? It's not euphoria, it's not confetti, it is not this constant adrenaline rush. It is quiet, it is stable, it is boring in the best possible way. Because now you're not reacting anymore, you're responding with precision. You're watching the market move and you feel nothing. No panic, no thrill, just presence, strategy, clarity. You stop trying to prove anything. You stop trying to impress anyone. You don't need anyone to believe in you because the charts proves you right every single day. What changes outside the chart? Let me tell you something that nobody talks about. When you win in trading, the world starts to feel different. Not because the world changed, because you did. You walk different, you speak less, you listen more, you don't chase validation, you radiate confidence. You stop fighting stupid battles. You stop explaining yourself to people who will never get it. You start protecting your energy like your life depends on it because it does. You look around and realize most people are all lost. They are still lost. Most people are still chasing dopamine. Most people are still blaming, escaping, pretending. And here you are, calm, profitable, focused. Not because you got lucky, but because you built yourself from the ground up. The real power, control over yourself. That is the question. So, what is real power? It is not that you have made millions of dollars, which I have, but it is not that. It is that you can sit in front of a chart for 6 hours and not take a single trade because it wasn't your setup. It is that you can close a trade early and watch it run and not flinch. It is that you can lose 3 trades in a row, which I don't, and show up the next day like nothing happened because your system is intact. It is that you don't need the money anymore, but you still follow the rules because it's no longer about money, it's about who you have become. Real power is not in the win, it is in the game, it is in the stability, it is in the consistency, it is in the stability of your internal state, no matter what the market does. Most people are slaves to their emotions. They chase the market, they revenge trade, they burn out their energy every week. They have got no clue what the market is doing. They have got no clue what the market is going to do. They are running after news. They are watching social truth social of for the Donald Trump tweet, and they think that the market will move because the Donald Trump has tweeted something on Truth Social. You, you have become something else. You're not a trader. You're not a speculator. You are a weapon now. The freedom most won't understand. Don't you know what true freedom is? It is not sipping cocktails on a beach. It is not walking into Gucci and not checking the price tag. It is not quitting your job. It is waking up with full control of your time and knowing that your income depends on no one but you. Please underline what I have just said. That is the most important thing. It is knowing that no boss, no client, no subscriber, no algorithm, no economy can take your skill from you. It is waking up on Monday and feeling excitement, not dread. It's having the power to say no, not just to bad trades, but to bad energy, bad people, bad clients, bad environments. It is a power to live on your own terms and to carry that power with silence. Not to show off, but because you don't need to. What you earn beyond the money. When you win in trading, you earn more than profit. You earn clarity in a world full of noise, discipline in a world full of distraction, confidence in a world full of anxiety, peace in a world full of chaos. You earn identity. You are not just another person trying to figure it out. You are someone who committed, learned, failed, rebuilt, and mastered the craft. You walk different because you know what it took to get here. You no longer fear losing money because you know how to make it back. You no longer fear failure because you have made peace with it. You no longer need applause because you clap for yourself. So, here, what I will say to those who are still chasing the shiny objects. If you still think the goal is $1 million screenshot, you are missing the point. The real power that comes with trading success is who you become in the process. Is to know that if the market has done something, it will do something, it will do something like this, and then it will do something like this. So you are able to predict what no one else can predict. It is quiet, it is unshakable, but it is yours forever. And no one can take that away from you. So, my friends, stop looking for shortcuts. Measure your success in how calm you are under pressure. Measure it in how few trades you are taking. Measure it in how much peace you feel when you close your laptop, win or lose. That's the real flex. That's the real power. So, if you want to get in touch with me, the link is in the comment section. My WhatsApp number is also there. You can message me on WhatsApp and let me know what you think of my profits this week. My gold trade stats will get updated, I think, in few hours. Then you can see for your own self. Till then, have a good night. I'll take your leave now. So keep this thing in mind. The real power is something else, and I want you guys to understand the real power. Hey guys, I have to go.